All right, the moment you've been waiting for, where I start to drill coals in my very nice Cadillac. Very cringe for me, but whatever. Things have to be installed. All right, another drill bit with some oil. Here's the start of our hole. Whoa! Ow! It's not how you're supposed to do it. There we go. Now I'm going to clean that out and do it on the other side. All right. So we have our piece. We have our hole. It looks good. It looks like it's right up in there. Got pretty close to my hose, so I'm pretty happy with this. Suspension's basically at full droop right now anyway. We got plenty of slack. These are our Drift HQ lines. I had to use that fitting down here, which I think is the right one. The one with GM and Willwood kits, and I don't think this one came with tapered thread. This is an extra CTSV brake caliper. So now time to see if this is too thick or if the nut can tighten just fine after it goes through here. And then what's going to happen is you stick this guy in there like that and use some Loctite red so that this nut doesn't come off. And this is just the test fit. Oops. So here's the test fit going down. And then we're going to do white paint marker, and then I'm going to do a little spray of undercoat on the other side even though it's painted. I don't know, because I'm just going to be careful. And then the fitting I chose ended up having a lot of space right here, and the threads only go down so far, so the sheet metal isn't quite long enough and the threads bottom out and the bolt nut can't go any further, and the thing just kind of sits there kind of loosely. So I stuck a stainless steel washer on top of this, and this is stainless steel too, so I expect that will be just enough for it to work with the sheet metal on it. That little gap in there should be good enough now, but I'm probably going to wait overnight, let the undercoat dry. Found a paint marker. I think Chris Fix does this on his channel, so that's where I kind of got this from, instead of having to tape everything off and do primer and all that. So we'll see how well it works, but especially with undercoat on the other side, it'll probably work decently. Oh, yep. Put a little rag over the hole in here so that it doesn't go shooting across the interior. Oh. There we go. There we go. That's kind of hard. There we go. Good enough. Let that dry. Wait for that to dry. Stick that fitting in. This will go up here like that, and the other one's going to come in like this, but probably around the back here, and stick right in there. All right, new setup. This is the new setup installed. Got our new aluminum pieces up there, our new spacers right there. Now we are set. Everything's being installed back, and we should be rolling soon. All right, it seems like this undercoat stuff is dry enough to work with now. So, time for the Loctite. All right, So we got some Loctite red on there, and now we are going to stick it through with the washer on. It's there. So now, time to start the nut. This is what I ended up ordering. Bulkheads and then the little stainless steel nut that went with them.